Well, hello, youth group. Today we're going to talk about Neo-Paganism. Because we need it. Neo-Paganism is one of the fastest growing spiritual paths in the Western world, offering a fresh way to explore spirituality outside of traditional religions. By blending ancient practices with modern values, like feminism, respect for nature, and individual freedom, Neo-Paganism creates a flexible, personal approach that feels freeing and relevant. And we need some freeing and relevance.
Paganism. Ancient religions practiced before Christianity, focusing on many gods, nature, and seasonal traditions. These beliefs were tied to specific cultures like the Norse, Greek, and Celtic traditions. Neo-Paganism. A modern movement that revives and adapts ancient pagan ideas, blending them with values like caring for the earth and personal freedom. Neo-pagans create spiritual practices that honor the past while fitting today's world.
While traditional Judeo-Christian teachings can feel rigid, Neo-Paganism celebrates multiple gods and goddesses, each representing unique aspects of life: love, wisdom, courage, creativity. Now, whether or not these gods and goddesses exist, that's not the point. The point is what they symbolize in lived, meaningful contexts. This lets people find what resonates with them, making the divine feel relatable and accessible. For many Unitarian Universalist teens, this variety aligns well with our own openness to exploring diverse sources of inspiration. Neo-Paganism views the world as inherently sacred, not something flawed or separate from the divine. This aligns with the UU source that celebrates earth-centered traditions, honoring the interconnected web of all existence. Nature, relationships, and each phase of life have deep spiritual meaning, emphasizing our role in caring for the earth rather than focusing on guilt or sin or something like that. Neo-Paganism values individual freedom and experience, influenced by postmodern ideas that resonate with UU values. So, like the UU commitment to a free and responsible search for truth and meaning. Neo-Paganism encourages each person to find their own truth, often blending mythology, science, and psychology. It creates a path that's modern, meaningful, and grounded in personal spiritual exploration. For UU teens, Neo-Paganism offers a way to explore spirituality without the limits of traditional beliefs. It honors diversity, individual freedom, and respect for the earth. Values that are at the very core of Unitarian Universalism, which is awesome. It's a reminder that spirituality can be personal, freeing, and deeply connected to the world around us. As you learn more about Neo-Paganism and how it connects with Unitarian Universalist values, here's something to discuss together. Think of spirituality like a puzzle made of many pieces: nature, stories, community, personal beliefs. What pieces do you think fit into this puzzle? How might they come together to create a bigger picture of what spirituality could look like? Consider these questions. If our UU values call us to seek truth from different sources, what might Neo-Paganism add to the mix? How does honoring nature or seeing the divine in many forms change the way we see ourselves or each other? How might a group like this group that you're in right now, with different beliefs and ideas, build a shared understanding of spirituality? Together, think about what this means for the youth group at 4th U. All right, so there you go. That's your assignment. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Neo-Paganism. We are going to dive further, way further, into Neo-Paganism, witchcraft, earth-centered spirituality, a lot of those different types of topics next semester. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'll see all of you at coffee hour very soon. Have a good discussion.